Meaning of law school admission test.
Law school admission test.
Law school admission test.
Law school admission test.
Law school admission test. The law school admission test, LSAT, is a standardized test used to assess the skills and abilities necessary for success in law school. The LSAT is required for admission to most law schools in the United States, Canada, and other countries. The test is designed to measure reading comprehension, analytical reasoning, and logical reasoning skills, which are all important for success in law school and in a legal career. The LSAT is administered by the Law School Admission Council, LSAC, and is typically offered several times a year at testing centers around the world.